in this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your wig. So in your wig, you will find an adjustable strap. Yours is black, mine is blonde, just because it's easier for you to see on camera. You can make this looser or you can make this tighter. So whatever you need to do to make sure that it has a really good fit, you can adjust your wig that way. And then at the very back of your wig, if you pull up the first track, there is actually in here, right here in front of the first track, there are little grooves that you can put these straps into to make your wig more snug at the nape. So you just hook them on there as needed, and you can actually make your wig tighter or looser as needed. And I recommend just playing with it until you find whatever is the best fit for you. So just like that. So once again, to adjust your wig, you have the wig band on the outside that you can make looser or tighter. Make it bigger. Make it tighter. And then you also, behind the first track, have little bra strap grooves that you can hook the wig straps at the back into. They kind of look like bra straps, and you can be able to make your wig more snug at the nape that way. And those straps, just so you guys can see them up close, look like this. And then you have the grooves. So thank you guys so much. If you have questions, please let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much and have a great day.